This was my first time to be going to this place, as far as this place, na kung saan I will hike 3 hours from a certain barangays dito sa Gadang, Kapangan, going to Balat. So we walked for about 3 hours from Gadang, Kapangan, Benguet, going to Balat, Sapdaan, Santol, La Union. And yung papunta doon is dadaan kami sa bundok. Wherein, pag titingnan mo sa malayo, it's just like a forest. Akala mo walang nakakadaan, pero sa loob ng forest na yun, ay may mga daan and may mga waiting shed pa na pwedeng pagpapahingahan pag ikaw ay napagod. And then meron ding mga tulay na ganito. Ayan, steel matting. Steel matting ba tawag dito? If I'm not wrong. So we have to walk sa ganitong daanan. And then, ayan. And paakyat siya. So talagang kailangan malakas ang katawan pag naglalakad dito. And at that time, umuulan. Kaya may mga tubig dito. And malinis yan. Talagang maraming tubig doon. And naabutan namin yung mga seniors na kumuha ng kanilang sokpen sa munisipyo ng Kapangan. So, kailangan nilang mamalengke ng mga stocks nila. So, ganun kahirap. Ganun kahirap yung from the market at magdadala ka papunta to that barangay. So, this is Gadang. Sila papuntang Magsad. So, medyo malapit pa yung pupunta nila within a 1 hour 30 minutes hike from Gadang proper yan. So, yan, naabutan kami ng ulan dito sa waiting shed na to. So, with this, lalakas nila. Super. Ay, may mga pasan pa sila na mga stocks nila. And they're so strong at senior age. Siguro, ayan. Ngayon, dumating na kami sa Balat. And ayan, may mga mag-a-attend na ng mass. Gabi na. And, yung excitement and the hunger for attending mass, you can see in them. And they really had the faith. And after the mass is a catechesis. So, ayan, yung mga attendees. So, yung mga ito is magkakamag-anak ng mga yan na nasa iisang part ng bundok. Ayan. Then, may catechesis after the mass. Ayan. So, alam yun, maraming mga tanong kasi malayo from the main church. So, they cannot attend. And they only do every Sunday yung in the absence of the priest. So, tomorrow, kinabukasan, we have to walk another to go back. So, mag-walk na naman kami for 1 hour 30 minutes papunta doon sa Magsad. Yung dinaanan natin kahapon for another mass. Ayan, and along the way, ayan, umagang-umaga, fresh na fresh, green na green. And I was so very excited na kuhanan yung mga videos na mga dinadaanan ko because this was my first time. This was October 2025. Kaya maraming tubig dyan. And napakalinis. And dumating na kami dito sa San Isidro Chapel, Magsad, Gadang. And kahit kokonte sila, they really are very very faithful. And nagmamas din sila. This is a very small community again. Wherein nag-gather din sila dito sa chapel na to. Then after the mass, usual is another catechesis. You know, yan. So, ayan. Pagkatapos ng catechesis, so it's a bonding with the community and together with the elders. Seniors na lahat sila dito. Isa lang ang hindi. Ayan. And we eat together with them. And then we have to leave. Paakyat na naman ang daan. And kahit pagod, nawawala ang pagod. Pag ang nakikita mo ay may mga taong nagsisimba pala, no? So, ganun din siguro ang feeling ng aming parish priest. So, akyatan na yan. Promise. Promise, paakyat na yan. Ganun ano yung daanan. So, parang bagong cement pa itong dinaanan namin. And at last, nandito na kami sa taas.